Hidden flaws? Why building defects surface after move? In many new buildings seem flawless at handover, with clean finishes and all systems appearing functional. However, once occupants move in and begin daily use, defects inevitably emerge. Cracks, leaks, odors, noise, and comfort issues often surprise owners despite passing pre-occupancy inspections. This isn't unusual from an engineering perspective. Many problems only become visible under real-world conditions. The science behind delayed defects before occupancy: buildings are largely inactive. Minimal water usage, low temperature loads, and light service operation prevent many defects from appearing. Inspections are visual and short-term, unable to replicate months of living conditions like cooking, showering, or seasonal weather changes. The core issue is that buildings reveal their true behavior under stress. Concrete shrinks, plaster settles, and plumbing endures constant pressure. These processes take time. Common post-occupancy problems: here are 10 defects that often appear only after move-in. Shrinkage and settlement: cracks concrete and plaster shrink as moisture evaporates, causing cracks that become visible under the stress of furniture and fixtures. Soil settlement can also cause non-structural cracks. Bathroom and plumbing leaks: frequent showers and continuous wetting expose weak points in waterproofing and plumbing systems. Look for damp ceilings, wall stains, or musty odors. Air and odor movement issues: closing doors changes ventilation patterns, revealing poor air circulation design. Stuffy bedrooms and traveling odors become noticeable only when occupied. Noise and vibration problems: pipe noise, elevator vibrations, and footstep impacts are masked by background noise during initial inspections. These become apparent when the building is quiet and fully occupied. Electrical load and overheating issues: real-world appliance usage overloads circuits, trips breakers, and overheats sockets. This exposes underdesigned systems or improper installation. Condensation and moisture problems: cooking, bathing, and breathing add moisture to indoor air. Poor ventilation or insulation leads to condensation, mold, and damp smells. Door and window operational issues: building movement, seasonal expansion, and increased usage cause doors to stick and windows to misalign. Floor deflection and vibration: furniture and occupants introduce dynamic loads that reveal bouncy floors, vibration, and creaking sounds. Drainage and plumbing backflow issues: sustained use exposes slow drains, gurgling sounds, and backflow due to poor slope or venting. Waterproofing failures in external areas, balconies, and terraces reveal leaks only after exposure to real weather cycles, months after handover. An engineering perspective: good engineering anticipates these post-occupancy defects. Allowing for movement, conducting extended testing, educating occupants, and scheduling follow-up inspections are vital. Buildings are not static products but evolving systems. What this means for owners and residents: post-occupancy defects aren't always signs of poor construction. They're often the result of real-world use, activating dormant physical processes. Awareness reduces panic and sets realistic expectations. A truly successful building performs reliably over time, not just looks perfect on day one. Buildings should be viewed as evolving systems rather than static products. Understanding which defects are expected, which are avoidable, and which require immediate attention helps engineers manage buildings more effectively.